Yeah, this thing is pulling. Yes, sir. All right. Press 5. What's up, YouTube? Bro, hit back with another video, and today we got a POV for you on the X7. Let's go ahead and just listen to that. Yep, this thing is quick for an SUV, 3-row SUV right here. It ain't even a real M car, which is even the more insane thing. Like, crazy. Like, how is this not an, actual M? But hopefully you guys are having a good one. I know my New Year's been good. I know y'all hopefully are doing pretty good for yourself. But yeah, we got a POV, a little bit, gonna go crazy. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's go. Turn left at this light, and then we're gonna have some little curves, so you can feel this thing a little bit. Oh, there's people coming. Well, another car's coming over there too. Durango, and this guy is gonna turn. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go this way, I guess. Let's go this way. Ooh. Yeah, this thing is pulling. Yes, sir. All right. Oh, I need to get a head mount though, because I like my GoPro, but at the same time, the GoPro camera to me is too it doesn't have very good quality. And I know because it's more of an action cam than quality cam. That's why, probably. So I'm thinking about getting a head mount for my phone, and I could do a lot more. But I'll let you guys know when we do that. But right now, just the hand cam. But hopefully the view is good for y'all, because I'm figuring out ways to make this video more appealing instead of me just showing you guys the steering wheels. You know what I mean? I don't like to do that. So we're gonna show it like this. Hopefully this looks good. But yeah, we're coming into town now. Little town. Oh, truck, stay over there, please. Thank you. Thank you. One thing I don't like about nowadays is people go over the line so much, and it's like, bro, you guys have to stay in your line. Especially when I'm passing. That's the scariest thing. That's how my last car, my Challenger, got messed up. Because of the fact that somebody came out of their lane without a blinker or nothing, or even didn't even let me know. They literally just hit my rear panel. I don't know how you do that, but honestly, either it's distracted driving or something like that, because that's just crazy. But I don't know. People are just different nowadays. People are crazy nowadays, honestly. Let's see. I don't think I can pass these people, because I'm pretty sure that truck's gonna go slow. These people are gonna go slow. I mean, who's gonna go? Let's see. Look, the truck didn't even move until an inch. Oh my God, this Jeep though, I don't know about this guy. I might get in front of him, honestly, because... Oh no, the pickup truck came. This Jeep let him have too much leeway. That's for sure. That is for sure. I just not making... this Jeep is just... I'm not way behind y'all. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm going this way, my guy. I'm going this. Don't come in my lane.
User mark ahead.
Okay, let's go. Let's go on the left. I don't want to be behind. Yep, there we go. I knew he was going to turn right. Somebody's going to turn right always in that lane. Always in that lane, somebody's going to turn right. Never, they don't. So we're going to go back. Gonna go back, and then we use our blinkers too. I'm not a driver who just puts no blinker on for nothing. Oh, is that an Audi? What is that? An Audi RS? I don't think so. It probably ain't. It looked like something fast though. Wait, actually, that might be. Nah. Oh, it's an RS5. Bro, I should have got over. I got behind these guys. I'm gonna get stuck. Oh my God. Please turn right. At least this truck is gonna turn right, so we'll be good. Oh, McDonald's. Anybody want some McDonald's? Me? No, I don't eat McDonald's. Honestly, McDonald's is the worst place you can go if you want to eat food. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Anyway, let's go. That Jeep actually sound pretty good though. That does sound good. Oh God, it's a Prius. This ain't go. Oh no, I want to get that Audi. No, he's all the way in front. I can't catch him. I wanted to see if he wanted to play. Actually, the Prius is kind of going. This truck's not going, so good thing I didn't move. Actually, no, I could have said that. Oh no. No, why won't anybody pass? Like, let me get past, bro. This is the times when you wish there was a third lane. And obviously, if there was a third lane, everybody would just be in that lane. You know what, big bro? I'm getting behind you. Get behind you, and then I'm gonna go on the other side. Yep. Yep. We need to go this way, around the turn, just like that. Oh, there's the Audi. Wait, if he's going on the highway, I'm going on the highway with him. I'm gonna make this POV a little long for y'all. So, is he going over? No, he's stopping, I think. I think he's stopping. Hey, hey, hey! Keep your Audi away. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Don't do it. Okay, now we're making some noise a little bit. That Audi gonna try to come though? No? I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way, my guy. I'm gonna go left. I wanna go left. Let that Jeep leave, thank you, bye. Oh, all right. Hopefully y'all's day's been going good though. I mean, mine has. New Year's has been great. Everything's been good so far. YouTube has been kind of going good. I'm trying to get these POVs back for y'all because that's exactly what people came for on this channel. None of the vlogs. Is that the out? No, it's not. That's the Prius. You ain't passing me, buddy. I'm sorry, you're not passing. Oh, look, there's a car. No. We're gonna get in front of them real quick. I don't know who merges. I do. I make the rules on that. Ooh. Oh, this thing just goes. I ain't gonna lie, I love this car. This thing is nice. BMW knows what they're doing. This truck was about to go in that lane for some reason. Why were you going in that lane, sir? Brother? What is this? Imperial. That guy got snow all over. Look at that. Alright, now we're just on the highway. We got a little bit of good opening, but you know, make sure. Let's go for it. Yes, sir. Whew. Yeah, you had to get out of the way. I don't know why you were sitting in that lane the whole time. People still drive these. It's crazy that they still run in this day and age, you know? It's crazy. But, yeah. But, yeah, hopefully y'all day is going good, you know? Haven't gotten into too much trouble. Yeah, but, you know. Hopefully y'all have the cars y'all want, whatever. I'm still upset I have no scat anymore. Like, the people are just, they get rid of your stuff, you know? That's exactly what happens. And it's unfortunate, but what you gonna do? Nothing. 'Cause I can't do anything. And believe me, I was mad when that person hit me, but I can't get mad in public, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta keep your calm no matter what. Even if the person messed up your car, like, that's just how it's gonna be, you know? That's just how people are gonna be. You just gotta live with it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna pass this guy real quick. Get over. Always use the blinker. We ain't no BMW driver that don't use their blinker, you know what I mean? We always have some people like that. Some BMW drivers that don't like the blinker for some reason. Anyway, here we are off the highway going back. So we're just gonna do a little loop because I'm running out of road. So we're gonna go back now. All right, let's go ahead and turn once this light turns green. For me, no? I guess not. But yeah, hopefully y'all's day is going good. It's like cold outside. Like, if you guys see this, 22 degrees. 22 degrees today. Like, it is freezing outside. I got another car next. Oh, blue car. Civic. Big Civic in the building. All right, so we're going to turn. We're about to turn now to the left. Come on, let's go. Thank you. Thank you, light. Finally turned left. Get some pop. Nah, there's a little bit of pops, but not enough. Not enough pops, in my opinion. Needs to be more. But it'll do what it needs to. I promise you that. Oh, it was holding that gear like long. But see, here's the thing. When you get on the highway, why are you going 50 onto a highway that's like 65? Makes no sense. But I need to get over. I need to get over, my guy. Thank you. Oh, this thing gets in and out of traffic. That's one thing I will. Oh my God, this guy's throwing stuff at me. Please. Oh my God. He's throwing like dirt and stuff. I need to get past this guy quick. Or maybe it's this guy. I don't know. One of them. Maybe it is this guy. He's got the stuff. No, it's not. It's this trailer, definitely. Get out of my way with this trailer, bro. I'm gonna pass you right now. If you don't move, I'm gonna pass. Let's see if I can. Oh, okay. Get out of my way. It's all like frozen too. Wow. People on the side of the road. Those cars are all like old. I think they've been there for a few days now. Yeah, they all got stickers on them, so they're probably done for. Okay. All right, so. Yeah, you guys can see how the cold it is outside. This ain't no easy stuff. Oh, what's that? Is that a truck? Oh wow, he got the F-150 lit up. I would never do that to my truck. That thing was tacky. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he lowered it too, or is that not lowered? I don't think it's lowered, but you guys can see his Ford logo is all lit up. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny, I ain't gonna lie. Anyway, let's keep going with this POV drive. Well, let me know, guys, in the comments, you know, if this looks good, like the angle of the POV is better than usual. Because usually I have it like super low, like this, and you can't see. But here I figured I could like get a little bit of a top view that you could see a lot better. But my arm is getting tired from doing this, but you know, that's what I'm gonna do, because this is the content y'all want. This is the content y'all get. But
Front K
watch out for that. Watch out for that. Somebody around here. HRV. I don't know why you would buy an HRV. Like, I feel like, here's the thing. I know people say, oh, they're unfortunate, they don't have the money for a better car, but like, there's probably way better cars out there that look better than that with the price range that you're looking for. Like, why go Honda, bro? Honda just has nothing. At least back in the day, I ain't gonna lie though, the Accords look good. Back in the day, like 2012 and stuff, they look good, but now, I don't think anything looks good. That's a nice Bronco back there, actually. That was a green one. Those things are old. And they brought the Bronco back, but, you know. Oh my God, that thing's actually up on stilts. It looks so high up. That's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. Look at this Camry. Camrys are another car that I don't understand. Like, people Well, actually, no. Camrys are not bad, I wouldn't say. I would say the thing about Camrys is that they're just gas savers, but at the same time, people don't drive them like they save gas on them. Like, I've seen people, like, try to go crazy in a Camry, and I'm like, what are you doing in a Camry, bro? But hey, I'm not going to kill your fun, you know? If you're doing what you want to with your car, that's what you do. I mean, I'm doing that with cars. People could say, hey, you're driving a luxury car. Why aren't you driving it slow or something like that? Nah. I mean, I just want to drive it. Like, you know when people get cars and they say, I'm just going to keep it in my garage and never touch it. Like, what is that? Like, are you just paying all that money just to keep it in your garage? Like, get a Lambo. Oh, I only drove it maybe like 500 miles of owning it for like 2 years. Like, really? You barely drove that thing. You didn't even pass the break-in. It's like at the break-in done. It's hilarious though. But you know what car I want to see come back? The Pontiac. Because I think the Pontiac was one of the best. One of the, like, sporty looking things. And they look good. Even now, in this day and age, I think Pontiacs look good. I don't even know how to say it. Sometimes I say Pontiac, sometimes I say Pontiac. I don't know. But they for sure had, like, good designs. And they still look pretty sporty. In this day and age, like, they still hold their looks really well. But, yeah, they do hold their looks. But at the same time, they're probably really slow because they're you know, they're old. They ain't gonna be as quick as they used to be to everything else. All right, well, I got one more poll for y'all, and then I think it's gonna do it for this video. But let's go ahead and do it real quick. Watch out, don't come here. Alright, y'all, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna do it for this POV drive, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.